Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Angela here, what it do? And today you guys, I'm coming at you with another quick unboxing. So if you want to see what I got, keep on watching. Okay. Alright you guys, so I bought this in store recently, a couple of days ago. And I just took the bag, you know, wasn't really paying no attention until I got outside. I realized, because I bought 2 bags, they didn't even put them in a box or nothing. But anyway, we shall move. So I bought this, y'all, to compare to another bag. So let me show you what I got. So here's my receipt, okay? I got y'all sitting on top of some of my shoes. Anyway, so the bag that I got, y'all, I got the Coach Compass in black leather. Yeah, because this comes in the signature print, black with black signature print. It comes in gray signature print. It came in suede. And I know it's in this black, but I wanted the all black one, the black with the silver hardware. Yeah, this bag is so cute. It's so cute. It comes with a guitar strap as well. I don't want to pull everything off, y'all, because I'm not 100% sure about keeping this. Because like I said, I truly bought this to compare to another bag. This one does have feet on the bottom. So I don't know if y'all OG fans, I mean, not OG fans. If y'all are OG subscribers of mine, y'all know, oh my God, a year, maybe 2 years ago, I bought a Kurt Geiger bag. It was black and white. It was like patent leather. It was giving the same vibes as this. But my favorite auntie asked me for it, so I gave it to her for Christmas. So whatever. So I needed to replace something because I decided that I liked the East-West, you know, vibe of the bag. So she asked me for it. I gave it to her. It's not a problem. So, what do we think, y'all? So, this guitar strap was like, but I was perusing on the interwebs, and I saw another young lady. She just got a thick silver chain strap, a longer chain strap for this, and she was wearing it as a crossbody. And I was like, yes, ma'am. Yes, freaking ma'am. Once again, this is from the men's department. Girl, the men's department is where it's at. All this stuff, y'all know how. Oh my goodness. But for the most part, this is how it is on the inside. Oh, silica pack. Yeah, this is how it is on the inside. It does have a pocket right here. Little storage patch in the back. Like I said, this is all leather. So what do we think, y'all? What do we think? So the bag I was comparing it to, girl, 2 different sizes, is my Louis Vuitton keepall 25 to this. And girl, they about the same. Look at that. I mean, the Coach is taller. The handles don't come down on the Coach like it does on the keepall. But it's about the same. Look at that, y'all. Girl, if you don't want to spend the $3,000 on this, you spend the $300 on this. I want to say this was $295 or something like that. Yeah. But yeah, and this is leather. So it's a little bit bigger. It's a little taller. A smidget longer, maybe? Maybe not. Girl, look at that. Here they are from this side. Girl, I got y'all sitting on top of my shoes, girl. there you go. You can see it from this way. Okay. And again from the side. Yeah. I like it. Am I in love with it? I don't know. Maybe I need to put this on my body. I still won't remove any of the straps or anything, but see how I feel about it to decide if I'm going to keep this or not. But I did get this because I thought it was so similar, and it is. It's very similar to that. But yeah, this is what I got. So, alright you guys, I just wanted to do a quick unboxing. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Love y'all. Bye.